Hello, hello, and welcome to We Voice It. I am Terry B. Jones, your host for today. I am here with the one and only Chrisette Celine. Welcome to the show on today.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, and this is Super Bowl Sunday. Yes, the game is going on, but guess what? We wanted to just share with you just a few things that you can do with your Alexa Echo device. Okay, there's commercials out there showing that Alexa is in cars now, your home is smart now, and there's so many really cool things you can do to help you throughout the day, like set up routines. You can do shopping lists, and pretty much your day can be on your Echo device. Or you can download the Amazon Alexa app and do a lot of the same things that you can do while you're on the go. Okay, so on today, what are we going to be sharing on today, Chrisette? What's a new thing that we're going to be sharing for our audience so that they'll know how to do it on the device? Okay.
We're going to talk about Super Bowl facts.
Wow.
We can ask her what are the Super Bowl facts of the day.
Okay, well let's try that.
Okay. Alexa, what is the Super Bowl fact of the day?
More than half of the 54 Super Bowl games to date have been hosted by just 3 cities, Miami, Los Angeles, and New Orleans. This year's Super Bowl marks the 11th time the Miami metropolitan area has hosted a Super Bowl. New Orleans has hosted the event 10 times, followed by Los Angeles with 7.
Wow, I did not know that. Audience, not sure if you knew it, but the halftime show was awesome with Jennifer Lopez. At 50 years old, she still got it, okay? And so that is one of the things you can actually do with your device. Another thing that we want to share with you, if you want to just say find out some chicken wing recipes, some dip recipes, and some pizza recipes, whatever it is you decide that you want to eat on Super Bowl Sunday. Okay, so what we're going to demonstrate for you is how to create your shopping list for your chicken wings, your burgers, or whatever it is you'll be cooking. Okay, so let's show them what needs to be done for that. If you have your Echo show, we're going to be showing you live on YouTube. If you don't have an Echo show, you can watch our YouTube video at Terry Jones, Terri Jones, okay? And you can watch this live, okay? So let's go ahead on and show them. What's on our shopping list?
Oh, okay. Alexa, what's on our shopping list?
You have 174 items on your shopping list. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2 cups white sugar. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa. 2 teaspoons baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon salt. 2 eggs.
How many things do we have on here?
1 cup cold brewed coffee.
Okay, Alexa.
1 cup milk.
Stop. So as you can see, I have ingredients for a dish that I'm going to be preparing. And so you can do the same thing too. Now, just like I asked what was on my list, we can actually add to the list, okay?
Yes, we can.
All right, let's do that.
So what should we add? Well, is there anything that you need?
You can add soda.
Okay, Alexa, add soda to my shopping list.
I've added soda to your shopping list.
Yes, and don't forget you can also make new lists. You can make other lists. You don't just have to have a shopping list. You can make so many other lists. And there's also a to-do list.
Right. And so just like we added soda, how about we already got the soda, and so we can tell it to remove that from our shopping list.
Or we can swipe left, or you can swipe left. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to do
Okay,
that.
so you can do one of those two things. You can ask Alexa, remove soda from my shopping list.
I've checked off soda from shopping.
Awesome, cool. And guess what else? The third thing that I'm going to share with you today is that you can find recipes on here. Remember back in the day where we would write down recipes and we would buy cookbooks? Well, guess what? With Alexa, you can have an online cookbook, okay? And so there's Food Kitchen, there's All Recipes, there's Tasty Kitchen, there's Side Shelf. There's so many that you can go and ask for a recipe. Alexa, show me a chicken wing recipe from All Recipes.
Searching for chicken wing recipes. Now we're cooking. I found restaurant-style buffalo chicken wings. It has a rating of 4.8 stars from 3,425 ratings.
Wow.
Cooking time is 15 minutes. Would you like to select this recipe?
Yes.
Great choice. The key ingredients are chicken wings, flour, cayenne pepper, and hot sauce. We can text you the recipe for easy reference. Would you like us to send you the recipe?
Yes.
Great. What's your phone number?
904-758-8227.
You said 904-758-8227. Is that correct?
Yes.
We just texted you a link to the recipe for restaurant-style buffalo chicken wings for easy reference. Are you ready to hear the directions and cook?
Yes.
It's going to be so exciting.
Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step. Step 1. In a small bowl, mix together the flour, paprika, cayenne pepper, and salt. Place chicken wings in a large non-porous glass dish or bowl and sprinkle flour mixture over them until they are evenly coated. Cover dish or bowl and refrigerate for 60 to 90 minutes. When you want to listen to a step again, just say repeat step.
Okay, so you all see how this works if you have an Echo Show, okay? And so also you can just click on the actual word ingredients and it will show you the ingredients on there. Or you can actually, like you heard, it send that recipe to me by phone, okay? And so you can go to the grocery store and get all of your ingredients. So we look forward to sharing with you all of the wonderful, cool things you can do with your device. If you do not own a device, go to wevoiceit.com and you can take a look at the different devices that's available so that you can order one today and get started using this really cool, new, trending technology to get things done on today. I am Tara B. Jones coming to you live with my co-host,
Chrisette Salim.
and we voice it.
Wait. And if you didn't hear earlier, you can go to wevoiceit.com, purchase an Echo today.